Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with the Truckerized tuner report for Randy, New Hampshire, and it's RCI-2995DXCF. Randy, got it ready to go, bud? Our full Truckerized package, tune alignment, wideband transmit receipt, clarifier mod, amp on off switch, high cut filter, upgraded power supply, the list goes on and on. So let's just get right to it. I'll start with RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. Just said about 5 watts, Randy. That way if you decide to run like a 6 peel or something, you got full adjustability. 40 all the way up. Show you average power swing. Hello, 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 hello. About 84 bird. 250 watt slug in peak. Hello, 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 hello. About 180 watts PEP. Alright, Randy, we'll get it out to you. We got the adapter for you and everything as well from your friend Truck. Why'd I shut that off? At truckcbsales.com. Bump, bump.
Get your Truckerized tune today. Truckerized.